Ukraine's defense is multi-layered and optimized for Russia's army. While not bulletproof, it works effectively. But missing the armored vehicle in the beginning, the vehicle could continue down, with FPV drones being well suited to take out infantry fighting vehicles. But while they do target Russian infantry as well, with more personnel, sending one drone per soldier can become ineffective. So as seen in this attack, the drone struck the retreating armored vehicle. With a Bradley charging the infantry left on the ground, letting each of Ukraine's systems be optimized to strike Russia's side, so they always have the disadvantage at each encounter, showing Russia's poor strategy leading to more losses, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.